In this video, I'm going to show you 3 methods to download your Facebook leads if you're running lead generation ads. Let's go. So here I am in my ads manager, right? And so this is method number 1. You can actually choose to download your leads directly from your ad campaigns. So your campaign ad sets, then your ads. So the individual ads, you can actually click them and download them right here. So as you can see, I'm running several different ads, and each of these ads are performing at different levels. So I can click right here, and then Facebook will give me the option to download them as a CSV file. But obviously, the problem with this is that it can be quite cumbersome because you'll be contending now with several CSV files or Excel files, right? And if you wanted just one pile, one group, then you'd actually need to put them together. And that would, of course, be time consuming. So that's method number 1. So method number 2 is to access it through the Facebook's lead center, right? So first you want to log into Facebook and ensure that you are using Facebook as your business page. So you can check that by looking at the icon that is on the top right of your screen, right? So you should see your business profile page and picture rather, and not your personal profile picture. So once you're there, you'll want to now navigate to the Meta Business Suite, right? So this is where Facebook has a lot of business tools that, can be quite helpful to us as business persons or content creators, right? So you will now click the lead center, and this will give you the option to access Facebook CRM system, so to speak. So we can do quite a number of things with it here, but I personally don't use it right here, right? But if you want, you can actually explore it here. So here you can actually choose the different forms that you want to gain access to the leads that those particular forms have generated, or by default it's on all forms. So if you wanted to download all the leads irrespective of the forms, you can leave it as is and then go up here and hit download. And as you can see, there's the option to download it as a CSV file, right? The beauty of the lead center is that you also have the option to create filters. So you can, let's say for example, you wanted to download leads that you generated over the past 7 days. Then you can actually choose that date range and then choose to download that particular subset of your leads. So that's method number 2 by using Facebook's lead center. Now we go on to my favorite method for downloading leads, right? And that's by going directly to the forms on Facebook themselves. So once you're on Facebook or Meta Business Suite, you can hit all tools, right? And then this menu will pop up and you'll go to the advertise section of that menu, right? So underneath the advertise section, then we'll see what we call instant forms. So in the past, Facebook had something that they call publishing tools. So that's where I used to access my forms directly so that I can download leads and I can do all sorts of stuff, right? But Meta has changed quite a bit, and in doing so they change up the location of these instant forms. So you click that, and this now will give us the option to download the leads directly from the forms, right? So here I have 4 forms, but my main form right now is this form that is called Improved Jamaican Wedding Checklist form. All right, so I run a wedding stationery company, so of course I generate a lot of leads, a lot of bride leads, right? So if I want to download the leads from this, all I simply need to do now is just hit that download button, right? And then it will give me the option to download these leads. So what you're seeing here right now is by default, it's giving me the option to download the newest set of leads since my last since my last download, sorry, right? So here you're seeing 35. Yours may vary, right? So I could click that and then hit download as CSV or Excel, and then I simply hit save, and just like that, I've successfully downloaded my leads, right? So that's how easy it is to download your leads. And why do you want to download your leads? You obviously want to download your leads so that you can either manually reach out to these people. So you may have generated their contact number and their names and any other details that you want. You may want to take up the phone and give them a call, or you may want to upload it to your CRM or sales system or software, or you may want to upload it to an email marketing platform like I do a lot. So something like MailChimp, Constant Contact, System.io, or whichever other email marketing platform that you use, HubSpot. So this is something that you'll want to definitely do. So if you found value in this video, please give it a like. Of course, drop a comment if it has been helpful, and please subscribe to this channel. We talk everything about marketing, digital entrepreneurship, sales, and everything in between. Until next time, peace out. Take care.